Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kinsey Johnson and I am a fitness content creator. I'm the only one awake, so that's why I'm talking really quietly. Forgot my laptop is dead, so I'm gonna have to charge it. Rip. So anyways, while I get the charger for that, today I have film for YouTube and my Kiala video. Since we're on vacation, I don't really have a lot on my to-do list, which makes it nice. I also like to study in the morning. Right now I am studying for my CPT, so my personal training certification, because I really want to personal train people online. So I will definitely be studying some of that. The gym doesn't open till 9 here, so in the morning I just really study and get everything done before I go to the gym, and then once I'm back from the gym I can relax and go to the beach and chill at the pool. It's literally freezing inside, so I'm gonna go outside to study. Okay guys, I just got done studying this morning and it is now 8:47, so I'm gonna get ready to go to the gym. So I'm gonna pick out my gym fit, do my skincare, and then head out. I have a hot mess down here. And today is back and by day, so I think I'm gonna wear these shoes with, I think I'm gonna wear this Gymshark sports bra with, it is really hot out, so I think I'm gonna wear it with these shorts. And then I'm gonna wear my Gymshark socks with it. I'm just gonna wear these with these shoes. So I'm gonna get dressed real fast. Okay, so I just changed. This is the gym fit. You can't really see. Bam. I'm gonna do my skincare real fast so that I'm ready for the gym. So before I go to the gym, I'm gonna take my Kiala pre-workout, my blender bottle, and then I take the Kiala blue raspberry pre-workout. It's literally my favorite by far. I also decided that I'm gonna put on a pump cover because after we work out we're going to a coffee shop, and I don't want to be wearing just a bra in there. Currently walking over to the gym. I have my tripod so I can make TikTok videos on my phone, and then my vlog camera, which obviously is what I'm holding and talking to right now. And I'm meeting my mom there. She went for a bike ride this morning. So yeah, we're gonna hit back and buys today. Guys, it's so busy here today. And I'm walking around with my tripod and camera. Like, everyone's looking at me. I haven't even went to the weightlifting section because it's literally packed. So I'm gonna do lat pull downs first. That's what I've decided. Okay, so I just finished my workout. Now I'm headed back to the villas so me and my mom can go to the coffee shop so I can get some coffee and some food. So I will see you guys there. Okay, so I got a pressed avocado bagel and I got a vanilla oat milk latte. Mom and I are now headed to Lululemon out and see, maybe I might get a new bag because this one's white and it's already dirty. Where are you going? We're going in here. Is that Lululemon? Yeah. Oh. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this blue is.
That's the XL, or if I should get XXL.
I think this would be good. Yeah, I can use it as a cover up. Okay, so we're back at our villa and we're gonna do a little bit of work. I'm gonna check my socials now that my laptop is charged, and then we're gonna head to the beach. Okay. Okay, so I just finished some work on my laptop and we're about to head to the beach and the pool. So I'm gonna put on a bikini. So let's figure out what I'm wearing. And this is a mess, so if you could just ignore my mess, please. And thank you. So we're white, blue, 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 or two. Wow, I packed a lot of blue. So I'm gonna figure out what I'm wearing and then put it on real fast. I'll be right back. Okay, so I chose this blue bikini from Aerie. It's super comfy and cute. We're about to head to the beach.
With someone you are. With someone you are.
Oh my gosh, the thing was coming at. Look at this one! Oh, heck no. So, fun fact, up here is where JJ got fired in season 2, episode 1 from the restaurant. He was the waiter there, and this is where they filmed it.
With someone you are. With someone you are.
Okay guys, so I just showered and put on some clothes. Look how cute. We are about to go eat some dinner, so I will take you guys along. I did get a little burnt today. Oh my gosh, actually a lot burnt. But it's fine, I just put aloe on, so hopefully it buffs, you know. We'll see you guys at dinner. Still don't know where we're going, so you'll be surprised for both of us. So guys, Grandma was washing a shell in the sink and a crab came out of it. So what does she do? She put shampoo on it. So what does my mom do? She comes in and tries to save it. Well, guess what they forgot? To get the crab out of the sink. So now we have a crab in the hotel waiting for us. All right, let's see if the crab's here. Which sink is it in? This one? Please. He's here.
He might be dead.
Aww. Oh, he's moving.
Okay, let's go save him.
Let's go see the poor guy.
Come on.
Oh, that probably hurt. Well, saved his life. Okay, so we're back at the villa and I just opened a package. I'm doing a giveaway with them, so if you guys want to win a yoga mat like this, which is 6 by 4 foot, then you can enter on my TikTok or Instagram, and I have them linked below if you are interested in winning a yoga mat. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my video. This is just a fun day that we did on vacation. Obviously we don't do this every day, but it's just a fun day. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you want to. Okay, bye.